Hi everybody and welcome to Area 21. I'm going to just demonstrate another couple of methods of cleaning your auric field. You don't need expensive instruments to clean the auric field. You have the feather, you have your hand, you have aurosoma, incense, sprays, and smudge and things like that. So there's lots and lots of ways of cleansing your aura. If you don't have anything, your hand is as good as anything. It's that intention. So I'm just going to demonstrate some very cheap, economical ways of cleansing your aura. Very, very simply, this is a wooden, sort of a wooden instrument with tiny little bells, and they're actually little curtain hooks, just tiny little bells. You can make something like this, and like in the other videos, in the early videos, go around the aura completely, over the head, down the back, under the arms, you know, completely around the body, right round the feet, and make sure that you cover all the auric field. Rattles, you can get lots of little rattles. They don't have to be expensive ones. You can pick them up at charity shops either. Seed pods are ideal. There's all kinds of seed pods. So you could go around the aura, walking around, again cleansing the aura all over, right down to the feet. This is another little seed pod as well. They all make different sounds. We also use rattles as a shamanic instrument when cleansing and ending a session. And then these are just two little pieces of wood that have been carved at the bottom, even two little pieces of wood tacked together all over, around the body, all the way around. And sometimes you could even use clapping, which you'll see used. And these are all simple ways of cleansing your auric field. And in the drumming videos, we'll also teach you how to cleanse your aura, balance your chakras with a drum. So if you'd like to watch the next video, we will also demonstrate another way of sound and clearing that auric field. If you want to find out more, check out www.area21.co.uk and check out our Patreon. Thank you.